keep are everything I need. No grand design, no map to seek, just the little things we keep. Ooh, the world spins fast outside our walls, but in your arms the silence calls. The gentle rhythm of your heart becomes the sweetest work of art. No need for more, no need for less. This quiet life is happiness, and if tomorrow fades away, we'll still have today. Stay, you say with half a grin. I laugh, we've nowhere else to begin. The morning hums, the rhythm slow, and love is all we know. It's the little things we keep that make our hearts fall deep. A touch of breath, a melody, the peace that you have given me. The little things we keep are everything I need. No crown, no fame, no grand mystique, just the little things we keep. The sunlight fades, the shadows creep, but love still hums where mornings sleep. We don't need more, we don't need deep, just the little things we keep.